Good morning to the Honorable Chief Guest, Principal Sir, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Minnie. I study in class 2nd. As we all know that we have gathered here to celebrate Children's Day. First of all, I wish you all very happy Children's Day. Children's Day is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of independent India. He was born on 14th November 1889 in Allahabad. Children called him Chacha Nehru because of his great love and affection towards children. His father's name was Motilal Nehru, who was a famous leader, and his mother's name was Swarup Rani. He worked hard for the betterment of children and youth of the country. He felt that children are the real strength of a country. He always took the initiative for the proper education of the children. He said that children were like the birds in a garden. They should be carefully and lovingly nurtured. To celebrate Children's Day should means to provide better and healthy life to our children. Now, I would like to conclude. Thank you to all of you.